Children's Hospital in Texas has just activated its internal disaster code due to a surge of respiratory illnesses that includes RSV.
Here in Arizona, RSV cases are skyrocketing as well. Officials tell us they're up 30%. Maricopa County saw more than 1,000 cases in October alone. Tonight, ABC15's Ashley Holden is checking in with our hospitals and speaking with a family whose toddler was in the hospital for weeks.
I found him struggling to breathe. He was taking very short, shallow breaths.
Stephanie Pokus says finding her son like that in the middle of the night scared her enough to drive from their home outside Kingman to get help.
I called the EMS to meet me at a gas station. We went to the ER and we found that he had endovirus and RSV.
2-year-old Dexter was sent home that night, but when the family's pediatrician found the toddler's oxygen levels low, Dexter ended up back in the hospital.
He got up to the point where he was needing 15 liters of oxygen.
The family would soon learn the toddler had also developed pneumonia.
I mean, what was that like as a mom?
It was very heartbreaking to see my son go through something like that and me think, is my son even going to make it through this?
After 8 days, Stephanie requested her son be transferred to Phoenix Children's, where they finally got a glimmer of hope.
After 4 days, he got better. He was no longer spiking fevers.
What we can say at this point is that the number of cases is still going up.
Looking at the latest numbers here in Maricopa County, during the last week of October, there were 400 new cases. The week before that, 300. The cumulative cases just shy of double what we saw last year at this time. But Phoenix Children's says they still have room.
We're definitely busy, as I mentioned, but if a child needs to be hospitalized, we still have the capacity to take them on.
Dr. Wasim Balan says parents should take the typical precautions, but it's not unusual to see a child like Dexter who has multiple viruses.
RSV does not have a vaccine yet, but we have a very effective and safe vaccines for both influenza and COVID-19.
He says kids 6 months and older can get those shots as another prevention tool. As for Dexter, his mom says she's just happy he's home and getting back to being a kid.
I didn't hear his laugh for 2 weeks and I thought it was going to be gone forever, and now here he is back.
He's so adorable, and this is video that Dexter's mom shared with us. After being in a hospital bed for a few weeks and not getting up, he had to relearn how to walk on his own. Through the process, they also learned Dexter has asthma, but right now, Katie, they are just happy to be out of the hospital and home.